buddy. What you been doing? Do you want to know what I've been doing? I've been playing a really neat game all by myself. It's called the imagination game. Yeah. Do you know what that is? Well, the word imagination means being able to see things that aren't really there. Yeah. It's like make-believe or pretending. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you how the imagination game is played. You close your eyes, and then you try to picture something in your mind. And you even try to hear, if it makes a noise, you try to hear what it sounds like. Okay? Now, the first thing you do is close your eyes. Right. Now, try to picture in your mind a horse galloping. Try to see a horse, okay? Good. That was great. You really did it. You saw a horse go by and he was galloping very fast. Good. Okay. Since you got that one, let's try another one. This time, try to imagine a dog, okay? Any kind of dog, your dog or a friend's dog. Close your eyes. Terrific. Was your dog little and had brown spots like mine? Well, it doesn't matter. Any kind of dog at all is just great. Now, since you got that one, let's try another one. Let's try a big red fire engine. You know what a fire engine is. Wow, that was a terrific fire engine. It was red and shiny. Okay, since you got that one, let's try something different, like, I know, something cute and little, like a little birdie, like me. Ooh, could you hear him chirping? Was yours in a tree or in a cage? Okay, since we got that one, let's try a big, scary monster. Okay, close your eyes. That was a scary monster. He had fur all over him and big eyes, and he was so scary that... sometimes the things that you imagine are nicer than the things that are real. Goodbye!
Oh, I just wanted to play the imagination game.